Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. That reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Wheel of Fortune, Five of Swords in reverse and Two of Cups. I hope you can see the cards here. So Aquarius, you are making a lot of efforts. You are trying really hard, hoping to resolve something. Maybe in your work situation you may have a lot of burdens, lot of responsibilities, and you want to do your best, want to achieve something, but there is a lot of competition you are facing in your career, or it may be something in your personal life. Maybe you want to be the best, so you are trying really hard to be the best for this person, for this love, and you are really happy with this person, and you have mutual love, respect and caring. Your relationship is giving you a lot of happiness, comfort. You feel very good when you are with them. You feel so happy, so relieved. You have emotional contentment and joy when you are with this person you love. So you are completely satisfied, contentment is there, and this relationship is moving towards the next step, or you are stepping in to a greater responsibility. Situation is gaining momentum and you feel a greater understanding with this person. You have a great compatibility, intimacy, and the way this relationship is going, it looks like things are just falling into place. Maybe you are thinking of marriage, or even this person is thinking of marriage, and you have a beautiful connection. It may look like destiny working in a beautiful way today for y'all, Aquarius, because with this person you feel really close. There is a deep bond you both share, and you may feel that you have known this person for a long time, very familiar with them, even though you are seeing them only for a few days or a few months now. So that is the level of connection you feel. Maybe destiny is going to bring you a lot of good luck in love. You are going to be extremely lucky in love today, Aquarius, because with this person you feel a balanced relationship. You feel harmony, happiness and satisfaction. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Six of Cups in reverse. So maybe for some of you, you are planning for a wedding, or you are planning to propose to this person. Maybe you may expect a particular timeline, maybe in 10 days or a week. But even before that, maybe this person is planning to surprise you with a proposal. So something very good is happening, beautiful turn of events. That is what I see for your relationship, Aquarius. So let us see what is the card for your career. It's 9 of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in your career there may be some delays, something may take time, maybe your projects or some completion, but it is nothing to worry. It may be something small, because I feel that you are going to be lucky overall. Luck is working in your life, so everything will fall into place for you, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you, and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing. But if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed, though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself. And maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon, starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seriphos green quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz, guys. And with this quartz, the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life. But today you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So, this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So, being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change, you need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.